Hey guys, how many of you have wives or partners that do your bookwork for you? How many of you would like to go home tonight and tell them they no longer had to do it? Well, just watch this next video and Hayden will tell you how.
Welcome to Tradies Friend, Hayden Wall here. Thanks for downloading our app. I hope it saves you lots of time and money. The first time you use Tradies Friend, you must set up your profile. To do this, go to the main menu, touch on Admin, touch on Profile. Next you will touch on and complete the information required in each of the icons shown. There are 5 areas of profile which need to be completed before using Tradies Friend: business details, GST, staff details, credit and payment details. Under business details, begin by setting your starting job and receipt numbers. These will be used as the next number for your first job and receipt. You may start back at 1 if you wish. However, if you already have an existing number system and you want to maintain this, use the next number in your sequence. For example, if you are already up to invoice 53, key in 54. The job number will be used for job sheets, quotes and invoices. The receipt number will only be used for receipts. Enter your business details, including business name, ABN, business address, contact name, email address, and financial email address. If you do not have a separate financial email address, just use your normal email. Next, tick the box if registered for GST. If you are unsure, please contact your accountant. Once completed, touch on Done in the top right-hand corner. If completed correctly, a dialog box will appear on the screen saying Data saved successfully. Touch OK and the profile screen will appear. There should now be a tick on the business details icon, which indicates successful completion of your business details. Please note, setting up a logo is optional. If you do wish to set one, please touch on the logo icon. This icon allows you to set your logo for letterheads on quotes and invoices. Touch on Upload Letterhead Logo. There is a choice of uploading an image to be used as a letterhead, either from the photo album in your phone or taking a picture with your phone's camera. If you have an image you wish to use already on your computer, you will need to email this to yourself. Then open this image from within your email on your phone, save the image to your phone's photo album, then return to Tradies Friend, and after touching on Upload Letterhead Logo, touch the album option. To use a photo as your letterhead, touch on Camera instead. Then using your phone's inbuilt camera, take a photo of anything you would like to use. If not happy with the photo, touch on Retake as many times as you like until you have an image that you are happy with. Then when you have the correct photo, touch on Use Photo. The logo should now display on the screen. If happy, touch on Done in the top right-hand corner of the screen. The profile screen will return with a tick on the logo icon, which indicates your logo has been successfully loaded. If you are registered for GST, touch on the GST icon. This will allow you to select either cash or accrual for GST. Tick the box to the left of the option you wish to use. If unsure, please contact your accountant. It is possible to adjust the GST rate to meet current tax requirement. Touch on Done in the top right-hand corner of the screen. The profile screen will return with a tick in the GST icon, indicating the GST profile has been successfully completed. The Staff Details area records information about your staff and provides them with access to the staff version of the app. It is important to note that if a staff member or contractor is working for another employer using Tradies Friend, they must provide a different email address to the email address given to the other employer. This is because the email address is used as your Tradies Friend login. To add an employee's details, touch on Add in the top right-hand corner of the screen and complete all the details listed. Once completed, touch on Save in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Password will be sent to the employee's email address. This will allow them to sign in to Tradies Friend with their email address as their username. Employees will only have limited access to Tradies Friend. Once all staff members have been added, touch on Back in the top left-hand corner of the screen to be returned to the profile screen. The Staff Details icon will now have a tick showing staff details have been successfully completed. Tradies Friend operates under a credit system. Initially, you will be provided with some free credits to trial the system. Currently, credits are worth 50 cents each. Credits are spent as you use the app. When you raise an invoice, it will use 12 credits. Providing a quote will use only 3. And each time you enter the admin area, 1 credit is used. Ongoing use of Tradies Friend will require a positive credit balance. To set up your credit system, please touch on the credit icon now. This area allows you to see the current balance of credits available, buy more credits, and set a reminder when you are running low to get some more. To top up credits, touch Top Up Now, and then touch on the Purchase button next to the selected number of credits required. Touch Buy. So long as you are logged in with the store on your phone, the amount of credits selected will be automatically added to the balance. Transaction will be processed through your phone store account. You must also select a minimum level of credits at which a notification can automatically be generated, advising you that the app needs to be topped up. To select a minimum number of credits, touch Minimum Balance. Type in the minimum number required. This step is required for the credits icon to be ticked. When completed, touch Submit. Now that you have finished, touch on Back in the top left-hand corner of the screen, and the profile screen will return with the credit icon ticked, indicating the credit section has been successfully completed. Payment details are your terms of trade and banking details. These will be included on your invoices to your clients. Touch on the Payment Details icon. First, complete your banking details, including account name, BSB number, and account number. You will then notice admin costs. Tradies Friend has a unique feature which allows your clients to pay for you to use Tradies Friend. Therefore, it will cost you nothing. This is managed by setting an admin cost. This cost will automatically be added into the costing of all your jobs. Suggest setting your admin cost to $10, which is equal to 20 credits. This should ensure that Tradies Friend remains free to use. You are free to set the admin cost to any amount required. Please note, this cost will be included within the labour component of your invoices. It will not be shown separately. Payment terms will determine when your invoices fall due. To set your payment terms, touch on the terms field and key in a number. For example, my terms are 7 days, so I'm going to write 7. Then touch on the second field to the right and slide up or down to set as day, week, month or year. As my terms are 7 days, I will select day. If you wish to, you may tick the box next to strictly to include the word strictly in your terms on invoices. If ticked, invoices will read strictly 7 days. The final option under payment details is to show cost breakdown. If this option is turned on, a breakdown of the totals for materials, labour and other costs will appear on both your quotes and invoices. If not turned on, only a single quote or invoice total will be shown. You can turn this option on and off by using the switch to the right. Once all sections of the payment details screen are completed, touch on Save in the top right-hand corner of the screen. You will once again be returned to the profile screen, and a tick will be shown on the payment details icon, indicating this section has been completed successfully. In Profile, there is also the ability to change your password. If required, complete details and select Change Password. There is also the ability to link Tradies Friend to your Dropbox account. You do not need Dropbox in order to use this app. So now we've set up all your details in the profile screen, you should see a tick on icons for business details, GST, staff details, credit and payment details. These all need to be ticked in order for the app to work correctly. If any of these are not ticked, please touch on the appropriate icon and complete. It is okay for logo, change password and Dropbox to not be ticked. Touch on Menu in the top right hand corner of the screen to return to the main menu. Your next step is creating your first job. Please select to watch either the Do in Charge or Quote video.